Hey y'all, welcome back to Ride Like a Pro. Today we're going to be showing you how to bleed a hydraulic clutch on the TL1000R Green Monster. Let's jump right in. First of all, you're going to need some tools. You're going to need some .4 brake fluid. You're going to need a rag. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to need something to catch it in. You could either make something like that. I just drill a little hole in the bottom and got this little tube so it can drain in the bottle, the brake fluid when I drain it, when I get the air out the line and the fluid out the line. You're going to need a 5/16 wrench. So once again, you're going to need something to catch the brake fluid with. You're going to need some rags, and you're going to need the .4 brake fluid, and you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, let's go up here, y'all. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to release this. We're going to take the cap off your brake reservoir. And hold on, y'all. This here is going to be sitting here like this. It's a rubber piece with a little, the plastic on top. What you want to do, you want to just remove that for now. You don't need that for now. And what you want to do, you want to put your cap back on. You want to screw your cap back on. Okay? Then you want to come down here with me. Well, first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to pull the clutch in. My clutch is pulled in. Y'all see that? Okay. So what we want to do now, we want to come down here. We want to move this dust cap. It's a little rubber dust cap. Y'all a little closer. Then you want to put your hose on right over that where you took the dust cap off. Like so. Then you want to take your 5/16 wrench with your clutch still pulled in, and you want to loosen that. See the fluid coming out? Then you tighten it back up. And you want to keep redoing that. Release the clutch. Release the clutch. Pull it back in again. You want to keep repeating this step. Then you can feel your clutch go against the handlebar. Tighten it back up. Do that about 2 or 3 times. Come back up here, check your cap. Add some more brake fluid. Now what you don't want to do, you don't want to let that run out. You want to keep adding brake fluid. So if you let it run out, it's going to get a whole bunch of air in your line. Okay? So what you do, You grab your clutch again. Same process. Come back down here with the 5/16 wrench. Loosen that. Tighten it back up. Let your clutch go. Pull it back in. You can do it 2 times if you want to. Loosen it. Tighten it back up. Do your clutch. 1, 2, 3. Back down here. Loosen it up. Tighten it back up. Check your reservoir. You might be able to go a little bit longer, but I don't want to take no chances. See how low it is already? Put some more .4 brake fluid. And you don't want to waste brake fluid all over the place. So let me back up and do this other step. Take that rag, get you a rag. Just run it right around your brake cap. Thing like this here, about like doing a car. Matter of fact, this is about like damn bleeding car brakes. Okay, we got that wrapped up. Grab your clutch, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 times. Come back down here. Loosen it up. Tighten it back up. Same thing up here again. 1, 2, just 2. Back down here. Loosen it again. Tighten it back up. Snug it back up, Okay. And as you can see, this right here, about how much I done got out already. You just keep on doing that same step that I showed you, and eventually your clutch, it'll start running new fluid through it. I'm not gonna make that long of a video because it's gonna take a little while to get that brake fluid really clean. Which with this one here, it shouldn't take that long because I've done this before, maybe about a month or 2 ago. But that's the way you bleed a hydraulic clutch on a TL1000R Suzuki. Go through the steps again. You loosen this cap with your Phillips head screwdriver. You loosen this bolt right here with Phillips head. That lets this loose. You can take it all the way off. I just unloosened mine because I can screw it off without taking this all the way off. But you take that loose, screw the crap off. This is going to be sitting down in there. Make sure you put that back. Put that back in there. I'm just making a mess, y'all. Make sure you don't keep your rag around there. Screw your cap back on. Once it's full, you got a full mark on the other side. Screw that back on. Clean your little mess up, which you shouldn't make no mess. Keep a rag wrapped around here. Just an old rag, just wrap it around like that. And let your cap stick out. Like that there. Do your step like I showed you. Pull your clutch in. Come down beneath. Your 5/16 wrench. Fits right on that that little thing about like on a car. If you know anything about a car, that's where you bleed your brakes right there also. And you pull it to the right. I mean, yeah, pull it to the right, righty. Yeah, pull it to the right. That loosen it. And back to the left to loosen it. I mean, to tighten it. And that's pretty much how you bleed your brakes on a TL1000R Suzuki Green Monster. So let's go. That's gonna be it for today. We're gonna wrap this video up for the day. You got any questions? Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see if I can answer it for you. Thank you. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Oh, I almost forgot. The most important thing that we all want to do is get back home safely to our families. Thank you. God bless you. Like, subscribe, and watch my next video. Goodbye.